Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make USD payments online if you are in Nigeria or other countries that have limits and using USD. So let's get on to the video. There are three ways to buy or pay for stuff online. One of the ways you can do this is to go to your bank and request to open a domiciliary account and then ask for a USD card. Now this does not have any bandwidth, so you can make payments for as many dollars as you want. So there's no $20 limit, there's no limit at all. So you can just go to your bank, request for a domiciliary account, request for a USD card, and then either credit your USD card by black market, or you get your friends abroad to transfer money to that account, or you can credit your domiciliary account using barter, and I'll show you that in a couple of minutes. Then another way you can pay for stuff online is by using barter card by Flutterwave. Now this card is used by many people. You can use this card to make payments for most websites, even Facebook ads. For some it doesn't work. That is why you need to have like a backup plan by getting a domiciliary account open. Another way you can do this is by doing both. So you can have a domiciliary account and a USD card, but then also have a barter card in instances where either of them doesn't work. So let's get on to it. If your question is how do I open a domiciliary account, it's simple. Whether you're using GT Bank or Access Bank or whatever bank that you use, go to the physical location, fill out the form, and they'll open a domiciliary account for you. You can also request for a USD card the same day. It takes about 5 days for you to get your USD card ready. So if you're going to be in a rush, if you want the card immediately, it is better that you register for that card days or a week before you need it. Another way that you can do this is by opening a barter card account, and you can do this by simply visiting the Flutterwave website. I'm going to attach the link in the caption so you can just click on it and head to the website. Now on the website you sign up by putting your email address, your name, your phone number, and other details that it will require from you, and then you will get a Naira card. Then you move ahead to create a virtual USD card, which will cost you about 5 USD to create. So it's that simple. It's very straightforward. You can have your account set up in a day, so it's straightforward. The last on my list is combining both your bank's USD and barter card, and the way you do this is simple. Now you have your USD card, but how do you get dollars? If you're in Nigeria, you cannot just get dollars from anywhere. You have a limit, or the bank can only sell you a limit of $20 per month. So you are left to buy from the black market or buy from apps like Piggyvest and barter. So that's where barter usage comes in. So you buy dollars from barter and then use that to credit your domiciliary account. And I'm about to show you that. So let's go. So when you log into your barter account, this is most likely what you will see. And all you just need to do is to switch to the USD and then click on add money, click on continue, click on share link. Now copy that link and place it in your browser. While in your browser, you just need to switch that to USD, type in the number of USD you want to send. I want to send 113 USD. Then you click continue. You put in your full name, your address, your email address, an additional note if you want, and then send. This will lead you to either a payment portal by card, or you can pay using barter. So I have a barter account. I'll pay using barter. You click on proceed. Now you'll be asked to log into your barter account. So you put in your phone number or email address that is linked to your barter account, put in your transaction PIN, and then log into barter. Then you can fund this transaction from the balance on your Naira barter account on the balance, and then all you just need to do is to approve that by clicking on pay. One advice I would likely want to give is you have to know the amount of dollar to Naira, like the conversion from Naira to dollar before coming to this stage. Like you need to have already calculated, okay, if I want to send a total of $200, how much Naira or how much of your domestic currency would amount to $200. So you need to have done that calculation. If not, you end up doing it multiple times, and you don't want that, because each transaction will cost you $3. So you want to reduce the number of dollars you spend by doing that research beforehand. Then I click on send money. Then this preview page opens where I can just preview and see what I've done, and then click on confirm. When you sign into your barter app, you can see the balance of the USD transfer that you made. I see that my balance is now reflected, and then all you need to do is to click on send to bank account, input the amount of dollars you intend to transfer to your domiciliary USD card, and you will see that it takes 2 days, and the Naira conversion you will definitely see. So all you just need to do is to select the bank that you're making that transfer to. I'm sending mine to Guarantee Trust Bank, which is GT Bank, because that is where I have my domiciliary account. So I'm going to input my name, my address, and other fields that I need to fill there. When you click on confirm, it takes you to where you put your transaction PIN. And again, don't forget to put in your transaction PIN, and I think, yeah, voila, so the payment has gone through, and I just need to wait for 2 days for the amount to arrive in my domiciliary account. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also share, because a lot of people in Nigeria they have the same problem sending money abroad, especially if you want to make WES payments. So share this video to your friends and your family. See you on the other side. Bye.